Hello and welcome to this brief overview of all the tools and templates you'll be receiving upon purchasing the construction management complete package. So as you can see, we've got over 20 individual templates and tools here. And by way of an introduction, I've been working in the real estate development industry as an end-to-end developer for the last 20 years. I've managed over 5 billions worth of development. And these tools are what I've collected upon the way. I've used them from my own house renovation to a 5 plot development to a $500 million GDV town regeneration. I really do believe that they are the complete pack for ensuring confidence on your next package, on your next project. And I believe the real value in these tools is project clarity, risk mitigation, and the complete peace of mind that your project, every step of the way, is managed with absolute certainty to make you proud and excited to report and track your project to your stakeholders and report on a regular basis with absolute confidence that nothing is going to creep up on you. So without further ado, I've given an end-to-end construction management plan checklist. I've given templates for things such as site instructions, a project closeout checklist, which includes every potential item you would need for final project review meeting, contractual obligations, closeout meetings, final inspection list. When the contractor is finished, what do you need to go around checking every single item for? The construction documents, are they complete? Permits and certificates, do you have all of those? Compliance with codes and regulations. Ensure that you've got each of these individual items. Now, I'm not going to walk you through the entire packs, we'll just quickly canter through them. Certificate of substantial completion checklist, operation and maintenance checklists, warranty documents, everything you'll need for warranties, final compliance certificates, all of the handover package that you'll need. So when your customer and when your client is ready to take over the project, you've got a complete pack of information that will give them everything they could possibly need. This is a complete end-to-end risk register whereby you're capturing the risk early on, you're identifying what the cost would potentially be, but even better, you're identifying the actions that have been complete today, the planned future actions, who's responsible for them, and when you need to close this out by. Most of projects' upsets come from unmanaged risk. This ensures that never happens. A complete construction management plan template whereby you have each of the individual sections from organizational structure, health and safety management, all the way to quality assurance. And what we've also included is individual prompts to help you write this document, project team history, given all going to give you the complete end-to-end management for when you start your project the right way. A template for meeting minutes. Every time you have a meeting, just be able to quickly add in the meetings and actions from this particular point. Site logistics plan. Get your checklist on making sure that you've covered everything with regards to logistics. A comprehensive health and safety checklist. One of the most important things in all of construction, in all of development, is making sure everybody gets home safely. This makes sure that everything you need in terms of making sure people are safe on site gets considered. Quality assurance at the end of the project, we want to make sure that you are handing over something that you are proud of, that has no snagging left over, that has nothing that is going to make the client go, well, we wish we'd used another contractor. Be proud in your work, have pride in the job. In interim project report, everything you'll need for reporting to the client on a weekly or monthly basis, site progress, forthcoming activities, neighbours meetings, any problems and risks, a real all-in-one document for making sure that you are reporting to your stakeholders as clearly as possible. This is another action tracker from your meetings. You'll have a summary of the discussion, what the next action task is. So every week you make sure you've got an absolute clarity of mind on who should be doing what, when and where. This is your budget versus actual spend. If you're in charge of the costs for your project as well, you can edit these elements here to be substructure, superstructure, fit out, roof works, first fix, second fix, and it will show how much you've got in your budget versus the actual amount, your spend to date, and what your balance remaining is. And on the other sheet, it'll also give you a cash flow projection. And then finally, mastering the construction management process. I'm sure many of you have been in this industry for many years as well, but this is just maybe there's one or two nuggets in here that you may not have considered with regards to lean construction, sustainable business, risk mitigation, construction processes. These are the individual elements of construction management where if you get one nugget from this document, then I'm sure everyone will be extremely happy with the progress and the value you've got. Now, we're offering these tools for an absolutely fantastic value, and I'm sure you're asking why it is we're offering them for such a good price, whereas I'm sure online you've seen just one of these documents being valued at £50 to £60 or $50 to $60. And that's because we want you to have absolute clarity in the quality that we are providing you through your experience with these tools to give you the complete confidence to maybe get in contact with us and see how we can help your next development or your current development the most successful one yet. We really hope that you enjoy using these tools as much as we enjoy putting them together, because we're extremely proud of the projects we've worked on previously and how these tools have made us really be able to establish and present that pride on a regular basis. We look forward to working with you soon, and if you have any questions, please get in contact with us at info@precisionprojects.org. Thank you.